Hello again. This is Barty 5 for Security HQ, coming at you with another product review. Yeah, I had tonight off. I got many of these coming up. I think I got about maybe three more, this one included. Thought I'd get out of there because normally I don't have time to record. So, my next product review is the fundamental restraining equipment used in law enforcement and in security, military, police. You probably hear me play with them. I'm making sure they're nice and oiled so I can show you. Handcuffs. Our partner in crime. Well, a partner taking care of crime. Let's put it that way. I myself, I really don't care what company it is, to be honest with you. But for the product review, I think these are Smith& and Wessons. To be honest with you, it might be, if I'm lucky. Yeah, they're Smith& and Wessons. I got the hinge. Okay, more control. When you're dealing with a suspect, it's good to have more control so they're not wiggle wobble on your butt when you're trying to restrain them until Big Brother comes up and takes care of the situation. We call it a bow tie. Bow tying the situation for Big Brother. You'll hear me refer a lot of times about Big Brother. Big Brother is law enforcement. They are PD. We are the bastard sons of law enforcement, but we are not police. All right? Now, maintaining these. Maintaining these. You got oil here. Oil here. So then you got the hinge. Okay? To know when they're properly oiled, you can do that. One finger, push. One finger, push. Let's try it on the other side. Rinse and repeat. Oop, what did I do wrong? I got the spine. That's embarrassing. Never try to cuff somebody with the spine. That will suck. And that will hurt. So, one finger push. One finger push. All right. The reason I carry these into the traditional chain, I'm going to quote somebody. Here I go on record quoting somebody. All right. His name is Dwayne Chapman. Everybody knows him as the dog, the bounty hunter. Some people like him, some people don't. I could care less if you like him or not. Be honest with you, okay? That's your opinion. This is my opinion. He explained in one of his episodes he had aired that the reason he does not carry chain because they have more of a loose, they could get loose from them, more uncontrollable actions. That's why he goes with a hinge. All right? Like I said, it's all about control. You got these locked in, they ain't going nowhere. The only where they're going is where you take them. Because you lock your grip on the cuffs right here. Now they don't have much movement. They have to follow you. Or they find a little bit of a pain sensation. So, starting out, use the chain. I did. When I first started, I used the chain before I got educated. My saying is, get these. They're like 30, 40 bucks. You can find them up to $75. Depends on what company you go. Like I said, I'm rolling with Smith & West. Pearl's nice. Pearl makes it. Asp makes a good brand out there of hinge cuffs. These are for high security. For your safety, for your suspect safety, for the people you protect safety, I recommend hinge handcuffs. This is Barney 5. This has been my interpretation, my views on a product review. And I'll see you on the beat. Later.